Tired of not hitting the first pages of Google? Watching your competitors rank above you and get all the traffic that should be yours? In 2017, 39% of global e-commerce traffic came from search, of which 35% was organic traffic. Google has 3.5 billion searches per day. Yes, I did say billion. So is it hard to get your share of those billions of users? Getting the first page on Google, or even that coveted #1 spot, it's almost like the holy grail of marketing, a seemingly impossible task to accomplish. Well, without the right knowledge at your fingertips, it is extremely hard to rank on that #1 page. What if we gave you all the knowledge you needed to start creating sites that were search engine friendly and ready for that first page ranking? How would you like a full SEO blueprint you can use? 100 SEO tips to use right now. How to use blogging for the best SEO. WordPress for the best SEO. Backlinks when is too many. Internal links best way to use. And much more. In fact, over 79 videos that will teach you everything you need to know about search engine optimization. Introducing SEO Master. Access our members area and get access to an ever-growing collection of videos all dedicated to getting your sites ranked in that #1 spot. Updated each month with more up-to-date content on everything you need to know about ranking your sites. You can lock in this once-in-a-lifetime deal and get access to more SEO videos than you could have ever imagined.